Hello, my name's Anne Skinner. I'm with Cape St. Francis Angling Club. I'm their functions and events coordinator, and I put all the functions together. Now last year, well, for the last 3 years, we've been involved in the Mayor's Cup, and this is our 4th year that we're going to participate. As the year started, the first year, it was ourselves that participated and hosted the event. Thereafter, the following year, we thought, no, let's open it up to the other angling club within Coega, because we've got 2 EP affiliated angling clubs in the Coega region, namely ourselves, Cape St. Francis Angling Club and Jeffreys Bay Angling Club. So we thought it's the right thing to extend it to all the sporting events that are regarding the angling in the Coega area. So we included J-Back Angling Club in this event. And this has now become our annual angling competition between our 2 clubs. We are highly excited every year when this takes place, because it is our competitive nature between the 2 clubs to participate against each other. And obviously we want to win the floating trophy. With regards to the community, we have members in the Jeffreys Bay area, the Cape St. Francis area, Potensi and Hemmansdorp area. Sport, as we know, brings a community together. It unites people on all levels, all social aspects, all age groups. So they get together, we fish in this competition, we enjoy the camaraderie, we enjoy the competitiveness, and of course the anglers love to show off because they are all competitive and we all want to win the floating trophy. The importance of the Mayor's Cup in the Coega area, it is very important for a community to feel as one. Sport, as we know, unites and brings people together. It is nice for the people in the area to feel that they've got a sense of belonging in their municipality and that the municipality cares. And by Coega hosting this Mayor's Cup annually, it just showcases their passion and concern for their people in the community. So well done Coega, well done Mayor's Cup, and thank you for caring.
Molweni. Ngu-Andile lo uthethayo apha eJeffreys Bay. Mna ke ndingu-coach we-boxing. Nje bani i-boxing iqhuba nje for iminyaka apha eJeffreys. Sifoundile ibamba nani boxing club. I-Mayor's Cup ke isincede kakhulu. Sincede kakhulu for abantwana bethu. Ngoba most yabantwana bethu beke into eziphuma ecaleni like i-drugs. Kunye ke zonke ke izinto eziphuma ecaleni i-gangsters. So ke ngoku kulento ke ngoku sisangenela nathi Mayor's Cup. Iye yayenza umohluko kakhulu for abantwana bethu, ngoba kaloku le Mayor's Cup iye yayenza utshintsho. Nje bana simane sikhompyutha nje kunye nezinye indawo kunye nale floating trophy ke ye Mayor's Cup iye yayenza utshintsho, and then nabantwana bebenengxaki enga ibancede kakhulu. Ngoba kaloku i-boxing yinto eyenza ukuthi bana wena uzive ungumuntu, and then ungakhawulezi futhi ukuba nomsindo, ngoba kaloku ukukhawuleza uba nomsindo uluze i-control. So ke ngoku siyenza faka i-boxing. So i-boxing ke ngoku iyanceda kakhulu. Mayor's Cup ke yona ke sincedile ngoba kaloku njengabantu abangenanto sithe nathi sokubizwa savuya kakhulu, and then sachazela abantwana, ngoba ke ngoku abantwana nje bana bevile nje kwi-Mayor's Cup kulapho ke babuye khona. Kwaye ke ngoku nezinye indawo nazo zivile ukuthi bani khona i-Mayor's Cup, kulapho ke nabo ke baye banyusa igaus, uyabo. So le ndaba le Mayor's Cup iyasinceda man, andifuna ukuthini nje ubana besike sangenelela izihlandlo ngezihlandlo. Siye sabona nathi utshintsho endaweni esihlala kuzo, ngoba mos i-gangster ininzi iphakamile kakhulu, kumbe apha eJeffreys Bay kule ndawo sihlala kuyo iye yaphakama kakhulu. Kodwa ke sithe safaka le boxing, and then abantwana batshintsha. Qha ke ngoku eyona nto ke ngoku isibethayo kakhulu yindawo yokutrainela, ukubana nje singayifumana ingayenza olunye utshintsho. And then ke ngoku i-Mayor's Cup nje bana le ndawo iJeffreys Bay njena indawo yabantu abafikayo like i-tourism. So ke ngoku xa beyibonayo ukuthi bana no zikhona i-sporting code ezithile, so indawo nje yonqevu, kulapho ke ngoku ne-commune inansika yethu lento thina eligama eli ndilibele kodwa ke iyasinceda man, iyasinceda. Ayikho enye into engingayithetha ngaphezulu. Enkosi, thank you.
Good evening, residents of the Kouga. My name is Leonard Perels. I'm representing the Kouga Subunion. My position at the Subunion is treasurer for the Subunion. We're representing 16 clubs of the Kouga Union. What the Meyer Cups means to the community in a whole, it brings all the regions together as 15-man rugby, and from as far as Hanke, Potensi, Humansdorp, St. Francis, Jeffreys Bay included, and it is a great prestige event for community and for the rugby to grow. It showcased a lot of young talent, upcoming talent. A lot of young boys is already reached halfway of the dream to reach the junior Springbok teams. We've got blood that comes straight from out of the Kouga, Humansdorp, Mani Lebok, the Sevens captain, Shaun Davids. And yeah, rugby is a talent, is a sport that brings the community together. And in a nutshell, in a whole, once it's connected the mayor's name onto any sport code, it unites the town, it unites the region, it unites the Kouga as in a whole. It benefits all businesses within the Kouga region.
Hi, goeiemiddag. My naam is Willie. Ek is betrokke by die Meyer Cup Cricket vir die afgelope 5 jaar. Die organiseerder, en ons is baie excited hierdie jaar wat ons die paddle gaan bybring. Ek dink vir cricket wat dit die laaste 5 jaar beteken het, is dat die spelers baie opgewonde is vir die cricket, en dat ons laas jaar 'n 4de span bygekry het. Die spanne bestaan uit Mentors Cricket Club, Hankie, Humansdorp, en dan het ons Jeffreys Bay Cricket Club. So die 4 clubs van die Kouga is gevestig in die Meyer Cup, en hierdie jaar sal dit weer so wees. En dan is ons baie excited hierdie jaar vir die paddle wat bykom. Dit is ek dink een van die vinnigste groeiende sporte in Suid-Afrika. En ek dink vir Kouga as 'n geheel sal dit baie beteken as almal kan saamtrek. Daar's ook 3 klubs op die oomblik wat bestaan is Mentors Paddle, Jeffreys Bay Paddle, en dan ook River Club, dit is St. Francis. So dit gaan nogal interessant wees dat die ouens wat nou die nuwe sporting code is om te kyk wie die eerste kampioene van die jaar sal wees van die Meyer Cup. En dan ja, wat Meyer Cup vir die gemeenskap beteken, ek dink dit bring mense bymekaar, en obviously die belangrikste is om hulle talente uit te lewer, en dan en obviously die sport te groei. En dit is wat ek van my kant af persoonlik dink wat die Meyer Cup beteken. Dit gaan vir ons nie oor enige iets nie, dit gaan oor spansport, en dan ook obviously om te kyk wie die beste is. En ja, dit is ons sien uit na 'n wonderlike 2026 Meyer Cup.
Good day, my name is Leon Nel from 8 Ball Pool. We want to thank the Meyer Cup for the opportunity to be part of this brilliant tournament. 8 Ball Pool started in 1997. We started small between the clubs. We built up so big that we have players that represent Kouga and Eastern Cape at the national tournaments. And also 2 players, one got the referees Springbok colours, and the other player represents South Africa as a Springbok player in Ireland in 2008. So the Meyer Cup means a lot for the community. It brings people together, the fans, the supporters, the businesses all get together and support one another. The tournament is held for the last few years, but this is our 4th year participating in it. The Meyer Cup develop and show all the skill set for the new players and upcoming players, and also can show the skills and the sportsmanship of the current players, and they're enjoying the Meyer Cup every year. Thank you.
I'm Mongezi Kachiwe, the chairman of Kouga Local Football Association. Meyer Cup is one of the major sporting events in Kouga and is assisting our teams and individuals. For instance, we take it as a self-discovery the personal growth, whereby each and every individual is showcasing his talent. And also for the communities, it's also assisting, whereby we saw on the stadiums where people are having stalls to sell. In other words, they are also making some means for attending the Mayor's Cup. And also the Mayor's Cup, most people of Gouga are having a community spirit, whereby everyone is there to support his team so that they can win the prize money. We also thank the mayor for such tournament, because I believe that in all the municipalities of Sarah Parman, we are the only municipality who's doing Mayor's Cup continuously. Others, they tried and stopped, so we keep on going, and teams are increasing now. So most sporting courts are involved in the Mayor's Cup. We really appreciate it. And even the grassroots scouts are attending, and players are identified and nurtured for moving forward and attend to be at a professional level. As we know that we struggle to send our kids to trials, but this Mayor's Cup is assisting, whereby scouts are attending also to identify such players. I thank you.
Hallo, ek is Nokkie. Ek is die ritmiese gimnastiek afrigter hier in die dorp. Ek rig al vir 23 jaar af en die laaste paar jaar met die Gouga Merrill Cup is ons so dankbaar, want dit is 'n verskriklike diersport en die ouers is so dankbaar, want die laaste paar jaar kon die meisies wat regtig op 'n hoë vlak deelneem en baie duur betaal vir aan hulle uitrusting, kon 'n bietjie geld terugkry. Wat ook baie lekker is dat hulle uiteindelik 'n bietjie erkenning kry en dat meer mense van hulle bewus raak, want dit is maar 'n stil binnehuise sport en ons bly in Jeffreys Bay met die strande. So ja, dit is regtig net 'n groot eer en 'n voorreg dat ons bietjie erkenning kan kry en selfs finansiële erkenning. Ek rig omtrent by 15 kleuterskole in die omgewing af, en wat lekker is met die kompetisie is ek kan hierdie ouers nooi en dan kan hulle kom kyk waarna toe werk hulle, en dit is 'n goeie blootstelling vir ons dat ons hierdie kompetisie kan hê en dat Gouga ons in dit ondersteun. En dat hierdie meisies voel dat my lang eensame ure word bietjie erken en word gesien deur nie net ons ouers nie. So ons is verskriklik dankbaar, en definitief kan ek sien dat daar was meer belangstelling in my sport as gevolg van hierdie kompetisie en die blootstelling wat ons gekry het. So ons is net so dankbaar vir hierdie geleentheid.
Good afternoon. My name is Ellis Stars. I'm on the executive of the Jeffreys Bay Bowling Club, and I'm representing the club here today to show what we have done with the Mayor's Cup in the last 5 years. This is the Mayor's Shield, which was made by one of our members, and every year we play for it, and last year we had 36 entries, an absolute full house. The club also contributes a lot of funds to the community through our sports facilities and sporting events that we do, where we collect monies from our players and visitors for charities, and we do that on at least 4 occasions per year. The club is open to everybody and anybody. There are, of course, codes that have to be followed, and we have over 200 members with the club, the youngest being 13 and the oldest 93. And anybody, irrespective of what disability they've got, whether they're missing a leg or a foot or are blind, are capable and able to be taught how to play bowls. This is what we as a club do for our community. Thank you very much.
My naam is Obber Kubai en ek is hier om touch rugby te verteenwoordig. So wat beteken hierdie dag vir ons? Dit is vir ons actually 'n baie lekker dag, en dit gee actually baie mense die geleentheid om hulle talent te kan wys in hulle harde werk. So gewoonlik in rugby, nie almal kom ver in dit nie, want mense kyk ook na jou grootte van jou liggaam en hoe sterk 'n mens is, maar in touch rugby, size maak nie saak nie. Hoe groot jy is, hoe klein jy is, jy kan dit net kom geniet. En hierdie dag gaan actually vir die spelers kans gee om actually hulle self te kan geniet en ook dit hou baie mense uit die strate uit en dit is ook 'n positiewe ding dink ek in die gemeenskap en dit bou ook spelers op, toekomstige spelers, jy weet nooit hoe ver 'n mens kan kom nie. En veral die jong mense wat nog opkom, ek dink dit is 'n geleentheid om jouself te motiveer en ook, jy weet, om iets nuuts uit te probeer. Ek meen, die eerste span wat al gestig was in Jeffreys Bay was Coastal Touchies en dit is actually deur jong mense gestig en dit is ook net om dit het eers begin om onsself te geniet en so aan en toe later toe begin ons spanne te vorm en toe was daar verskillende spanne en hierdie beker waarvoor ons speel of die prys waarvoor ons speel is actually ook, dit gee ons 'n geleentheid om ook in ander toernooie deel te neem soos in Durban en so aan, want daar is nie noodwendig finansiële ondersteuning nie, so om dit te kan, om deel te neem van dit, sal dit baie goed wees vir ons. Dankie.
Goeiemiddag, ek is Kevin Vincent Jacobs, chairperson van die Kauga Weightlifting. Is onze eerste keer, ons is 4 jaar al bezig en dit is onze eerste keer dat ons gaan deelnemen aan die meierskap en dit is so vir ons 'n voorreg om deel te wees van die meierskap, van dan gaan ons daar 'n bietjie meer voete by ons deur inkry om die kompetisie vir ons 'n bietjie meer excited te maak en ons gaan hierdie kompetisie hou as Kauga Weightlifting Championships sodat ons span daaruit kan kies en gaan deelneem in die Eastern Cape Tournament.